what I've earned from my course is not just a degree. I've also developed skills that employers are seeking for.
Manchester Met improves your employability in many ways, from internships and work placements to career fairs and lifelong career support.
I attended many workshops. They teach me how to give a good presentation.
I've gained real-world experience on work placements. I developed my skills helping to organize a major event.
I also attended English course. That's really helped me a lot.
The Career Hub has job opportunities not only from the university, but from external employers.
So I went to CV drop-in sessions as well.
You also can get working experience. It is very helpful for your career job application.
I really enjoyed the work placement because it actually gives me a lot of transferable skills. That's a big component of our degree. It really helps me to prepare for the work.
Manchester Met helps you to get ready for your career.